students. Today we will see fifth topic from your book, that is operations on rational number. Before doing the operations on rational number, first you should know what is meant by rational numbers. Now look, last year you have studied the natural numbers, whole numbers. Okay, natural numbers, it start from 1. Whole number means 0, and all natural numbers group is known as the group of whole numbers. Now the numbers which are in fraction form, these are known as rational numbers. Now look here, I will read from your book. Let us learn rational numbers. In previous standards, we have learned that the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called natural numbers. We know that natural numbers 0 and the opposite numbers of natural numbers together form the group of integers. Means 0, all positive natural numbers and all negative natural numbers, they forms the group of integers. We are also familiar with the fractions. You know that fractions we are writing in the numerator and denominator form, such as 7 upon 11, 2 upon 5, 1 upon 7. Is there then a group that includes both integers and fractions? Let us see. 4 is equal to 12 upon 3. Means 12 upon 3's answer, it is equal to 4, that you know. Then 7, reciprocal of 7 is 7 upon 1, because 7 is not alone here. 7 is in the numerator place and denominator is 1. So 7 upon 1. Negative 3 means negative 3 upon 1. 0 is equal to 0 upon 2, or any other denominator will be there. Thus, we also know that all integers can be written in the form m upon n. Means in the fraction form. If m is any integer and n is non-zero integer, non-zero means n should not be 0, then the number m upon n is called the rational number. Okay, which number is known as the rational number? If we'll write the number is in the form m upon n and n is not equal to 0, then the number m upon m is called a rational number. Okay, now we will see the operations on rational numbers by using the information. Look here, they given one box. Natural numbers, it starts from 1, that you know very well. 1, 2, 3 and so on. All numbers are infinite numbers. Whole number starts from 0. Integers 0 as well as all positive and negative natural numbers. Rational numbers in the form of m upon n. Now you have to see. We will see the operations on rational numbers. There are 4 types of operations that you know very well. These operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Before that, let us recall, to divide one number by another number is to multiply the first by the multiplicative inverse of the other. Last year you have studied this. Now what is meant by multiplicative inverse? If we will change the place of numerator and denominator of the particular fraction and the product of these two numbers is equal to 1, then that two numbers are reciprocals of each other. Here they given the examples. The reciprocal of 5 upon 6 is 6 upon 5. Reciprocal of 2 upon 11 is 11 upon 2. Same way reciprocal of negative 5 upon 4 is negative 4 upon 5. Mostly we are giving the negative sign to the numerator. So like this way, these are known as the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of that particular numbers. Okay, now we will see the examples based on rational numbers. Few examples: addition, subtraction. Then in your book they given multiplication. Then they asked about multiplicative inverse. I said to you how to write the multiplicative inverse and the dividation examples. Okay, so first of all I will make here place and we will solve the examples. Okay, first we will solve the examples based on rational numbers. addition examples. One by one, I will tell you how to solve the examples. So, we'll solve here. I will write here example. 5 upon 6 plus 7 upon 4. Okay. We have to add this. Already you have studied this, but again we will see. So here denominator is not equal. So first of all you have to convert these fractions into equal denominator. So what we have to do? 5 upon 6 multiplied by the denominator of second fraction. Middle I will give plus sign. Then 7 upon 4 multiplied the denominator of first fraction. The next step is multiply and write the answers. 5 4 are 26, 4s are 24 plus 7 6 are then 4 6 are okay. Now look here, denominator is equal, so I have to add the numerator. 20 plus 42 upon 24 is equal to 2. If reduced form will be there, then bring it in reduced form. Okay, it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 2 1s are, and here again is it divisible? Not. If I want to bring this number in reduced form, then I can write here 12. 12 2s are 24. 7 remain upon 12. Okay, like this way, by equalizing the denominator you have to solve the which examples? Addition example. One more example I will take here. Addition example. First of all I will make here place to solve the example. Now I will take the mixed numbers example. Okay, it was the addition of rational number. Now we'll see addition of mixed number. I will write here. I will take here example. 2 and 1 upon 7 plus 3 and 5 upon 4. Okay, so first of all I have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Directly I will convert it. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. 15 upon 7 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 5 17 upon 4. Okay, is equal to, now denominator is not equal, so I have to equalize the denominator. How to equalize that you know very well now. 17 upon 4 now is equal to 15 4s are I will write here 60 upon 7 4s are 28 plus 17 7s are 119 upon 28. Add these numbers here. 9 6 plus if this number is divisible, you can bring it in reduced form, then reduce it. If not, then write as it is, otherwise convert into mixed number. Okay, now we'll see the example of subtraction. Subtraction of rational numbers. Okay, here also same way we have to do. Suppose the denominator is equal, then just we have to subtract the numerator. I will show you here how to solve the examples. Okay, so with equal denominator, first I will take 7 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. Here denominator is equal, so what I have to do? 7 minus 3 upon 8. 7 minus 3, it is 4. 4 upon 8, it will come in reduced form, that is 1 upon 2. Okay. Now if denominator is not equal, then how to solve the example, that we will see. I will write here 1 upon 7 minus 3 upon 4. First of all, I have to make the denominator equal. So I will write here 1 upon 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Okay. So here 1 4s are 4 or 4 1s are 4. 28 minus 7 3s are 28. Now look, 4 minus 21 upon 28 is equal to, now look here, 21 is greater than 4 and 21 contains negative sign, so here subtraction will be there, so your answer sign it would be negative. 21 minus 4 is equal to 17 upon 28. If it will come in reduced form, then write in reduced form, otherwise keep as it is. Okay, do you understand this? Now we will see the multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, while multiplying the fractions, already you have studied, you have to multiply which numbers? You have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay, so here also same thing you have to apply. Okay, so I will write here the example. See, multiplication 7 upon 3 multiplied by 8 upon 5. What I have to do? Multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. If you want write, you can write the step here. 7 multiplied by 8 upon 3 multiplied by 5. 7 8s are 56 upon 3 5s are 15. If it is coming in reduced form, then reduced form. Okay, one more example I will tell you. 3 upon 5 multiplied by negative 2 upon 6. Okay, now 3 multiplied by negative 2 means your answer it would be negative 6. 3 2s are 6 and negative sign. 5 6 are 30. Then it is coming in reduced form. 6 1s are 6 and 6 5s are 13. Okay, do you understand this? Now we will see the example of division. Means easily you can solve the problem set based on the operations on rational numbers in your notebook. Okay, if you will do regular study, then no queries will be there for you. Okay, now we will see the division examples. I will write here 2/3 divided by 6/9. Look, while solving the division example, what I have to do? Look here. First term as it is. Then I will write here multiplication sign and reciprocal of 6/9. It is 9/6. And same method I will follow here, that is of multiplication of rational numbers. 9 2s are 18. 6 3s are also 18. So here answer will be 1/1 is equal to 1. Okay. Do you understand these examples? Now you can solve the examples. One more example I will take here for your understanding. Look, here upside I will write 3 divided by 2/3. Okay, how to solve? Now first number I will write as it is, that is 3. Then I will multiply. Second number's reciprocal is 3/2. Here nothing number, so number is 1. You can write or you cannot write, also no problem. Now multiply numerator by numerator. 3 3s are 9 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, like this way you have to solve the practice set in your notebook. Be safe at your home. Thank you. Bye.